This is the Yeedi K650. So this is the Yeedi K650. What works is that this has a lot of features you might not have thought you can get. And let's talk about what the features are. This K650 is coming with a 2000 PA or 2000 Pascal suction power. It comes with a 800 milliliter big dustbin and Tangle-Free brushes. It is perfect for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, self-charging. It can be used in combination with the boundary strips. I have tested mine in depth. You can adjust the power from 3 different levels. You have 600, 1200, and 2000 Pascal. So you also have a quiet mode, so you can have this vacuuming at a level that pretty much operating at the level of a fan. It is great for your home, and it has that large dustbin, which is going to be right up top and removable. So let me show you guys. I've been using mine for about 2 weeks, right? We've been testing our Yeedis. This is what the underbody looks like, especially after, 2 weeks of use. I have one side, the brushes, it got tangled on something, so the brushes are a little bit disfigured. But overall, it looks pretty much brand new after 2 weeks of constant use. We've also tested this on high pill carpet. So on high pill carpet, because it has that 2000 Pascal, because it has that tri-brush system, we have not encountered any issues of it operating, moving around, and picking up debris on a high pill carpet. Something I cannot say about all of the RoboVacs that we've tested on our show. And if you want to know what makes it really good is that the Yeedi app, so we're going to show you our Yeedi app. Oh, it's starting vacuuming. I pressed the button. I pressed the button. So you have multiple ways of operating your unit. So then right now it's currently charging. But you can just press the button and make it go. And it uses a random algo pattern. But the algo pattern, it's different now, right? It's different. So how this works is that the algo pattern is random, just like a lot of these will do. But because it comes with the 2600 mAh battery, you have a 130 minutes of runtime. So when you have this algo-like pattern, right, on a robo vacuum, which means it's not going in direct rows, it's going to be stopping, sensing, and then going in the direction where it thinks the dirt is. It still can get your whole entire floor cleaned quickly, but it will take a little bit longer than the ones that have row by row or smart mapping. So that's the base here. The base is straight. This comes with a straightforward, simple base. This is the Yeedi app in action, and we're opening our Yeedi app. Here is our Yeedi vac. Here is our Yeedi K650. So, and here you have auto cleaning. You just use it for edges. You can use it for spots. If you wanted, right now currently we are charging. You guys see that? It says charging. You can add in your magnetic boundaries, and it gives you updates on the like your vacuum power. So you can change your vacuum power level from standard, max, plus, and quiet. And it also keeps a cleaning log. So if you have a cleaning log, it's going to let you know how much cleanings you've done. So I've done 10 cleanings, 635 feet this week, and it's only Monday. It's only Monday. Because you're going to set it on random mode, and it's just going to clean your entire house. You can also set it for spot, or you can set it for edges. So that's how simple the Yeedi is to use. So if you just open this up, you can remove your brush rolls. And the brush roll, you can just remove that hair. But the trick is that you have a 850 milliliter bin, or 800 milliliter bin, right? You have that 800 milliliter bin. So that's about 60% larger than a lot of the other bins from other manufacturers. So it can store the hair somewhere, so you don't have to necessarily worry about it, getting stuck and clogging up your bin, because long hair fills up your bin very quickly, and that's pretty much why your suction level drops off and your vacuum starts working less well. Because if this whole thing is full, the hair is going to get caught here, there's nowhere to go, and then your airflow is going to suffer because of that. So what should we conclude about the Yeedi K650? I think we can conclude that it has great build quality. It has 2-hour battery life, which is just spectacular. It easily clears most pet hairs and debris because it has that Tangle-Free brush roll along with the 2 side brushes up top. It is powered by a powerful motor that can push it through high pill carpet, as I'm showing you here, as well as it can pick up a lot of the dirt and debris that you wouldn't get at this price point because it has that 2000 pascal suction. Now let's talk about some of its weaknesses because we want to be fair. I wish it came with the remote. I also wish it came with smart mapping. However, I can't expect that at the affordability level that the K650 delivers at. In our testing of this unit, it works very well on hardwood and on low pill carpet. It also works well on high pill carpet, which was surprising at this price point, as most of the robo vacuums we test on high pill carpet can barely navigate and barely get through that carpet. This has no problem getting through it at all. But I think the key winner here is that 800 milliliter dustbin powered by that 2000 pascal suction, along with a straightforward and easy to use app. And even though that app might not have smart mapping, it still delivers ease of use. And it works. So with that, the Yeedi K650 is here. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye. Bye.